Vincent here with Seacoast Harley-Davidson. Today we're featuring the beautiful red Dante's Fade CVO Trike. If you haven't seen this trike, you should see it in person. The camera will not do it justice, but it fades from dark to flame red in the front. You have a gorgeous Tomahawk wheel along with chrome legs, LED lighting, and on the rear tire you also have the Tomahawk wheels with the low profile tire. For comfort, you have heated hand grips, you have a heated seat with 𝗣𝗚𝗘𝗓 and strategic locations on the seat for more comfort. You have the Kahuna set for your floorboards, your shifters, your grips. A gorgeous sound. This has the Rockford Fosgate Stage 2, 75 watts per speaker, and you have 4 speakers on this trike. For the engine, this comes with the 117. This has a high flow air intake, it has a tuned exhaust, and it has a cam, and it's putting out about 126 foot-pounds of torque. So lots of power when you want to roll on and pass or get on a ramp. When it comes to comfort, again, you have a wireless headset and connectivity direct to the boombox. You have a rider backrest that you can put in, garage door opener, highway pegs, and a number of different bags for storage, both for the top and on the bottom. And one of the best features of the trike is the storage. You even have a cover for the trike. So I encourage you to come on down. I spend time going over the details when people are interested in a trike. I also will spend time practicing with you out back so that you're comfortable when you ride off. And please, if you're riding a passenger, bring the passenger along. The advantage of the trike is you will not know they're on the back. It has no effect on your turning. There is no leaning on a trike, but it's a lot of fun. It really is one of the ultimate toys that you can enjoy, especially if you're riding 2-up. So come on down. My name's Vincent. We look forward to seeing you real soon at Seacoast Harley-Davidson. Thank you.